Well, during the past few years, I think all of the OEMs have placed a greater emphasis on the aftermarket and parts and service, and it's pretty clear it's a $34 billion business, and we'd like to get our share. And General Motors handles its aftermarket business through AC Delco, now present on 6 continents out of 7, having very good growth rates. And we like to do it for 2 reasons. When it comes to accessories, we obviously like to keep people in the fold as much as possible, and to sell them General Motors approved accessories. In fact, we now have a portion of the product development group that is assigned to future accessorization of the vehicle, so that things like bed liners or caps or bumpers or running board systems and so forth are designed concurrently with the car, designed by designers who are assigned to the accessory group, are then engineered, usually then produced by an aftermarket supplier for General Motors and for distribution through our dealers. We like to have our dealers be full service, in the sense of selling the car, dealing with the used car, providing such service as may be required, and participating in the accessorization of the vehicle. It's becoming a more important profit center for dealers as the warranty work winds down, and it's interesting, you have dealers complaining about much less warranty work than in the past. Well, we kind of like that, but the dealer service facility doesn't. So more and more, if the loss of service revenue from warranty work and other types of unscheduled repairs can be reduced, it can be compensated for by accessory sales.